Welcome to a beautiful December morning. In my last video, I have shared with you all how I have set up my winter garden. But setting up is not all. I have much work to do than that. Today I will talk about repotting some of my plants and also how I am decorating my winter garden. Watch the video till the end and I am sure you will enjoy it. For winter plants, the potting mix should be rich with nutrients. I am taking 30% garden soil, 20% coco peat, 10% perlite, 25% vermicompost, 5% mustard cake powder, 5% neem cake powder, 5% bone meal, and some fungicide. The mixture is rich in nutrients and well drained, just the way plants love. While repotting these plants, try not to disturb the root balls. Gerbera has become root bound and so I am repotting it first. While shifting to a new pot, always keep this portion above the soil level to avoid any fungal infection. Next I will repot chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum comes in multiple colors and are must-have in any Indian winter garden. Keep them in full sun and water them only when the topsoil feels dry to touch. For kalanchoes, repot in a rich soil, keep in partial sun and refrain from overwatering. I will also repot these two polka dots today. These plants are with me for quite some time now, and I have kept them in nursery pots. But now roots are coming out from the pot, and I don't have a choice other than repotting. The soil became hard, and I am losing it up a bit. Try not to disturb the root ball. After repotting, water the plants thoroughly. I usually mix a bit of Epsom salt and NPK 19-19-19 to the first water that I give my plants after repotting. This protects the plants from repotting shock and promotes healthy growth. I have purchased these pretty railing planters and they just got delivered. The size of the hook is much smaller than my balcony railing. Not to worry, I have a desi jugaad idea for this. I am going to hang them with thick wire and tada, it's done. Time to place the pots. My plants are looking beautiful in these colorful planters. Quick update on my kitchen garden. Methi seeds have germinated well. And so the palak seeds. I am so happy. Some more garden decor ideas. In this urban jungle, we hardly get butterflies and birds visiting our garden. Why not install some just to beautify the space? I have taken printouts of some butterflies and bird, sticking them in cardboard with glue and cutting in shape. Few of them are without color, so that I can fill them with colors I want. After all this done, attach thick wire with these pretty garden accessories and they are ready. Install them the way you want. They will surely take the look of your garden to another level. I am loving it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Happy gardening to you all. Thank you for watching.